Hey guys, and welcome back. Okay, so Vondy AI is a powerful platform designed to empower creators, developers, and businesses with AI-driven tools. With its user-friendly interface, it caters to both beginners and experienced professionals, making it accessible to everyone. So, let's take a look at some of its key features. First, AI-powered apps. Vondy AI provides a vast collection of applications driven by artificial intelligence. These apps cover a wide range of creative tasks, from chatbots to image generation, ensuring that you have the right tools for your projects. Second, extensive prompt library. Vondy AI offers a comprehensive library to guide and inspire users. Whether you need help generating ideas or refining your content, the prompt library is there to assist you. Then early access to chatbots and images. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest in chatbot technology and image generation. Vondy AI provides early access to these cutting-edge features, allowing you to explore new possibilities. And AI Creative Assistant. Vondy AI comes with a dedicated assistant to help streamline the creative process. This assistant can provide suggestions, feedback, and guidance, making your workflow more efficient. With view generation history, keep track of your past projects with ease. Vondy AI allows you to revisit and analyze your previous generations, helping you learn and improve over time. And here's a taste also of what Vondy can do. You can write like a pro, generate creative content, polish your emails, and craft compelling presentations, all with the help of AI writing assistants. Whether you're a writer, blogger, or content marketer, Vondy AI can assist you in creating captivating content across various niches. Then coding with confidence. Debug your code, get suggestions for optimization, and even generate entire code snippets with Vondy's coding tools, and create responsive and intelligent chatbots for various platforms. Vondy AI's chatbot tools enable you to build interactive and personalized chatbot experiences for your audience. With master data science, dive deep into statistics, analyze complex data sets, and build powerful visualizations with Vondy's data science experts, and produce captivating images using AI algorithms. Whether you need visuals for social media, websites, or marketing materials, Vondy AI can help you generate eye-catching images effortlessly. Don't forget to stay fit and healthy. Get personalized workout plans, track your progress, and receive nutritional guidance from Vondy's fitness coach. Explore history like never before. Travel back in time with Vondy's Time Machine AI assistant, and gain insights into historical events and figures. So monitor the progress and history of your creative projects. Vondy AI allows you to track and analyze your past generations, helping you stay organized and focused. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Vondy offers a constantly expanding library of AI tools and assistants, catering to a wide range of needs and professions. So save time and energy. Automate repetitive tasks, and let Vondy handle the heavy lifting, freeing up your time for more important things. Boost your creativity and productivity. Break through writer's block. Generate new ideas and tackle complex tasks with ease. Learn and grow. Vondy's AI assistants can teach you new skills and broaden your knowledge base. Finally, reduce stress and anxiety. Knowing you have a reliable assistant by your side can take a weight off your shoulders and help you stay calm and focused. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more creative AI tutorial content.